What's up everyone? Today what we're going to do is talk a little bit about the Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus sprayer. This is the sprayer that I tell every artist to get, no matter who they are. You just want to make sure you have one in your studio space. So I have done a ton of mural projects. I use sprayers all the time. I use handheld sprayers and I use sprayers that can get deep into that 5-gallon bucket. I used hobby ones and I use commercial ones as well. And as an artist that does a lot of street art and murals, you're looking for a sprayer that can, one, prime your wall, black or white, basically priming the wall, getting the primer down to sort of prep the surface, and something that can lay down colors for your design as well. Handheld sprayers are great. I usually use handheld sprayers from time to time whenever I'm doing a project that requires a ton of color, but there's not a large amount of a certain type of color. But one of the drawbacks with handheld sprayers is that it's heavy when you're doing a really large project, and you have to keep filling it with paint over and over and over again. Usually this is a drawback because it slows you down. And lastly, if you're doing a ton of spraying, gripping the trigger and holding onto that sprayer for a long period of time is going to wear on your hand. And that is why I like using sprayers that can go directly into the gallon buckets and the 5-gallon bucket. I did a video a while ago talking about the Graco Magnum X5 sprayer that I used on a lot of my projects. This sprayer is about $350. So it's really affordable and it does everything that I need. It sprays the primer that I need and it sprays the type of brand of paint that I use all the time. But recently, within the past year, I picked up the Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus sprayer. One of the things that I found using both of these sprayers is that they do the exact same job. The Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus sprays the same type of primer that I use all the time, and it sprays the same type of paint that I use all the time. So there really is no difference. And I haven't found a difference when it comes to the type of pressure that I get spraying the type of paint that I like. So in the end, basically it does the exact same thing. And when both of these sprayers do the exact same thing, as an artist that tries to travel as much as they can, who has a car full of equipment, I try to go with the smaller one that's more mobile. And when you look at the difference between the two sprayers, you can see the difference in the leg and the stand. And one of the big factors that I love about the Project Painter Plus sprayer is that I can take the stand off. Because I can take the stand off and it's a small, mobile, sort of compact design build, I'm able to actually throw this in a suitcase. So recently, within the past 6-7 months, I have been using this sprayer exclusively when I travel from place to place to place. So all these murals that you're seeing right now, I've done recently, and I'm using the Project Painter Plus to do the entire background, to prime it, and to add color to the piece as well. And these projects are everywhere around the world. Like I said, because I'm able to take off the stand, I'm able to fit this in a suitcase, and not only a suitcase, but a carry-on as well. So I'm able to detach the legs, the stand, set it sideways, throw that into the suitcase, throw the hose in there, the actual gun trigger in there as well, and then the actual nozzles that sort of suck up the paint. Both sprayers utilize the same hose, the same gun, and the same nozzles that sort of intake the paint. So everything is the same except for the actual sprayer pump, the build, and the stand. And because both of those do the exact same thing that I need, I will always go with the Project Painter Plus, and that's the one that I recommend for every muralist, every artist, just to have in their studio space. And some of you may be intimidated about using a sprayer like this that goes directly into the gallon buckets or the 5-gallon buckets, and I'd say don't be intimidated. It is really easy to clean up. It's really easy to change colors because, as you can see, I use colors exclusively all the time. Every mural that I have is a bunch of colors. It is easy to change colors with these sprayers. The Graco Magnum X5 is rated for 125 gallons per year, and the Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus is rated for 50 gallons per year. Here's the thing, I haven't had to replace the Project Painter Plus sprayer yet, and I've gone well over 150 gallons just on that, so 3 times the recommended limit. And lastly, to compare both of them when it comes to price, the X5 is about $350 to $400, and the Project Painter Plus is about $250 to about $300. And usually if I need to have a sprayer or use a sprayer, I just sort of calculate that into the budget beforehand. And the reason why I love traveling with the sprayer is because when I travel to a project, someone brings me out and hires me to do a project, usually they will try to provide some of the equipment, and a lot of times I don't want to have to sort of travel to a place and have to learn their equipment, or if the equipment is halfway broke and I have to fix it and sort of piecemeal things together. I want to make sure I have the right equipment with me at all times. So that's why I like to travel with this Project Painter Plus sprayer. So hopefully this helped out when trying to figure out what type of sprayer to use with your project, the smaller projects and the larger projects, because I use the Project Painter Plus on small walls, but also I use it on really large projects, basketball courts, entire buildings, just to sort of make sure it's easy to get paint from the bucket onto the wall. And quick sidebar, I'm not getting paid for any of this. I'm not getting sponsored for any of this. This is just me recommending the tools that I use so that you can have sort of the best tools for your project. All right, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you can get more videos like this.